just can't get this combo right. It's either too acidic or too sweet. I tried that. Different blends, different beans, different milk, and still not right. Here, try this. Well, exactly, there's just something off with it. Just can't figure it out. I'm sorry. For this, I didn't mean to take this long. Why don't we... Wait, what time is it? We missed the movie. I'm so sorry. Why didn't you tell me? But it's date night and you're sitting there watching me fiddle with coffee beans instead of seeing the movie you asked to go see with me. I'm not good at this. Dating, I mean. I haven't done this in a while and I don't even know where I'm going with this. And you're just smiling at me. Why? Oh, come on. Now you're just being silly. Because Look, we may have missed the movie, but the least I can do is get you some ice cream. Come on. I am serious. Let's go. I know a really good Sunday spot. You like hot fudge? Yeah, this is homemade, really good. Oh, and their marshmallow sauce? Delicious. Come on, it's only a few blocks away. If we go now, we can get some before they close for the night. You, wanna hold hands? Great, I mean, cool. You just always fluster me. You do. Ever since I met you, you've just been catching me off guard. I try to come up with the right thing to say, and then one look at you, and it's all gone. All those witty lines I've come up with vanish. I'm not usually this, well, awkward, I guess. Adorkable? Is that even a thing? Seriously, this whole time I've been adorkable? I don't know what to say. Thank you, I guess? Here we are. You want to get it to go? We could walk around. It is a lovely night out. Cool. Hi, can I get one hot fudge sundae and then whatever they would like to have? Thanks. No, I've got it. Least I can do. Your ice cream, my dear? What do you think? Told you. It's seriously addicting. I mean, it's a good thing the cafe keeps me busy, otherwise I'd probably be a regular here. You know, the coffee ice cream actually uses a blend of mine, and I've heard it's pretty popular. Nah, could never handle cold coffee things. It's too weird for me. Coffee should be hot. Not that you getting iced lattes is bad. I mean, what was that for? I guess it's a good thing to be adorable. Hey, this way, into the park. Come on, it's an adventure. See? Fairy lights in the trees. I don't know, I figured they'd take them down after the holidays, but I guess it was popular enough to leave them up. I like them. Makes it feel pretty magical. Wait, stand right here. Do you mind if I take a picture? Smile. Look, the way the light hits you makes you look like a... Sorry, I'll shut up. No, I was gonna say that it makes you look like an angel, a stunning angel. In fact, it's cheesy, I know. Sorry, I'm normally not so... I like you too. A lot. Thank you for coming tonight. Even if I did screw up the movie. I appreciate you too. Come on, there are some more lights over here.